Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, day 2 with getting the 740 running. The most common issue with these cars and not starting is the few of the relays go bad. Primarily the fuel injector relay. So I went to the salvage yard, found one, had no markings on it, so it's probably been replaced at least once. So we'll look at the one that's in the car, swap them out, and see if it'll start. So when you come in the car, you remove the ashtray assembly, and you'll see the fuses and the relays behind them. The relay for the fuel pump is over here. Heck, it said that one's been replaced at 166. So let's pull that, swap it out, and see what happens. Well, at 166, the car had that many miles in August of 2003. And here we are 12 years later, and it's only had, gosh, 4,000 miles put on it. So anyway, that may be an issue. So let's go ahead and swap it out. It's a 13-year-old relay. Maybe this one is not as old, but this one has made in Hungary on it at least, so it may be an OEM relay. Okay, I got the replacement relay in place, so I'm gonna turn the key on, roll the window down, and see if I can hear the fuel pump when I try to start it. Window worked. I didn't hear the fuel pump when I turned the car. Let's see. Still don't think I hear the fuel pump going. I can hear the fuel pump clicking, but I don't hear the fuel pump going. So I'm gonna crawl under the car and unplug the fuel pump and put 12 volts on it, see if it'll cut on. Okay, so I'm gonna try to see if the fuel pump is getting power, or I'm gonna put power to the fuel pump. You come down under the driver's door and look under the vehicle, and under the driver's seat you'll see the fuel pump carriage, and that will have your fuel pump and your fuel filter on there. So I disconnected the wires that go to the fuel pump. One's black, one's looks like yellow and black. I assume the yellow and black is the power. At any rate, I'm going to try to hook up some jumper wires to the fuel pump probes and hook it up to a little battery and see if the fuel pump starts to turn. That'll let me know if it's at least getting power, or if it at least works rather. Okay, I have those prongs hooked up inside the connector holes, and I have a little 9-volt battery. I'm not sure if that battery has enough juice or is powerful to start a fuel pump or not, and if it has any juice left in it. I use it to check clusters all the time. So I'm gonna hook this on here and see if we can hear the fuel pump activate. I can't hear anything. I don't hear a click or anything. So let me get a car battery down here and try to hook 12 volts up to it like that. Alright, I happen to have a long set of jumper cables, so I got 12 volts over there. Now I'm going to come under here and hook these 2 wires up to these cables here and see if we can hear a fuel pump cut on. Because if that don't get it, the fuel pump's burned out. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take this other wire here and touch it on this clamp here, and we should hear this fuel pump click on. And we hear absolutely nothing. So I'm going to say this fuel pump is bad and work on getting this fuel pump replaced. I'm going to test the one out in the junkyard, which I did hear it cycle a couple times, and probably get it and replace this fuel pump. Okay, I'm here at the salvage yard, and it looks like that fuel pump's not too old. I'll know a little better when I get it out of there, but I'm going to go ahead and take this one and see if it works out for me. So here goes nothing. Okay, so I got the fuel pump out of the car in the salvage yard, and I'm going to unplug these leads and test it with my battery real quick. Okay, so I have the fuel pump hooked up to positive. All I got to do is hit it on this negative, and that fuel pump should start humming. And it does work. So cut it off real quick because I don't want it burning out the fuel pump, and I'll go install it on that other car tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.